In this video, I'm going to explain how you can reactivate your Uber Eats account. So what we want to do is just open up our phone's web browser, and I've just searched for Uber Eats support. You want to open up this first link that pops up. Now from here, how can we help? We will use the search bar to search for Reactivate, like this. And I'm just going to press on the magnifying glass. And one result is going to come up verifying your account. Now just ignore this and click on it. And we want to scroll down here. And this is what we actually need. So these fields, our first and last name, we will need to input our phone number and where our last order was from, and any additional details. So here we will just explain that we want our Uber Eats account to be reactivated, and they will get back in touch with you and assist you, as well as if they require any further information, they will ask you for it. Click on submit. This is going to send your email, and that's how you get your Uber Eats account reactivated. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.